about Manipur.
Manipur is burning.
Violence, death, arson. Manipur.
देश की जनता चाहती है कि सदन चले.
ఏదో తేడాగా ఉంది.
Chat. These people don't listen what I say. I say only to the president. Hey secretary,
What, sir?
make an appointment with the president.
Okay, sir.
Chat. President sir. President sir.
Hey speaker, what ma? Why are you coming? What happened?
Sir, you wearing hoodie here, but the real winter is at parliament, sir.
What ma? What happened?
Manipur issue is on fire, sir. Everyone is throwing papers on me.
Okay,
The same papers I bought here.
okay.
I did all the ways possible, sir. I did adjournment signed days. Please help me out, sir.
What ma? What is this adjournment sign day?
Adjournment is a situation where a speaker will be dismissing a session of a house for a particular time period, and in the case of signed it will be for an indefinite time period, sir.
English, sir.
I know. I'm here. President na, I know everything. First you go and order the coffee. What should I do now ma?
Please prorogue the session, sir.
Proroga? What is this proroga?
That's something that a president does. He will be terminating the sitting of a house, sir.
Okay. Have you ordered the coffee? I know this also. First order the coffee.
Okay.
See ma, I can only order the coffee ma. But you have absolute powers. For adjournment and adjournment signed. For prorogation and dissolution, I have to get advice from these fellows ma, Council of Ministers.
Okay. Shah is on phone, sir.
Our Shah na? Shah, tell me ma. Thank you. Black hoodie na? Modi gifted last birthday. Okay, I put sign for prorogation. Nothing will happen. Take care ma. First you get the stamp.
Rubber stamper, sir.
Okay. Yes, Vamsi, what will happen after prorogation?
There is a slight variation on the effect of bills in the event of prorogation and dissolution. In the case of prorogation, all pending notices lapse. However, there is no impact on bills upon prorogation. But in the case of dissolution, all bills pending in Lok Sabha are fully gone. Bills passed by Lok Sabha and pending in Rajya Sabha are also gone. Whereas bills pending only in Rajya Sabha are alive like cockroach. And bills passed by both houses but waiting for president are safe and secure. Those bills which are held for the joint sitting, they are also safe. And all those bills which are under Government Assurance Committee, they don't lapse. Now look at this UPSC CSC Prelims 2024 question where the key concepts of Parliament like prorogation, adjournment sine die and dissolution were asked. Now try to solve this question.